Hi, in this video, I am going to show you how to create a TikTok business account. First of all, we open TikTok, come to the Profile section, and click on 3 horizontal lines. Then, click on Privacy and Settings. Now, click on Accounts. Then click on Switch to Business Account. Click on Next again, and 2 times more. Then, choose the category of your business account according to your content. I am using clothing and accessories. Click on Next. Then add your email, but this is optional, so I am clicking on Skip. You can add the bio of your business account, you can add it. I am clicking on Create. Now, you can see your account has been created. Let's close that one and click on Edit Profile. Now, you can see this account has been converted into a business account. That's all the way to create a TikTok business account. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe to this channel.